Do you know about sliding window technique? That is an algorithmic pattern where you maintain a window of elements in an array or a string and you slide it as you iterate over the data. So it is helpful in solving the problems which involves like finding the subarrays, substrings from a given string. So this is the simplest example of explaining the sliding window technique. It is very useful. Let's understand it here. So here this is the data, generally an array, and this is your window size. So what you have to do? You have to find out max sum subarray. Subarray is contiguous elements array. So you have to find out the sum of the some of the four contiguous elements from a given array. That should be maximum sum. Let's call it max sum. And let's say window sum is, that is called window sum. Sum of the window. Window means key elements. So what you have to do here, simply write a for loop. I starting with 0 less than k and I plus plus. So this is going to be the sum of your key elements. Window sum plus equal to array dot I. Let's call it max sum because this is the first window here. Let's call it max sum. So there is going to be multiple windows in the data or array. So what you have to do here is the main logic. So here let's say j starting with the k because we already have sum of key elements. So here j less than array dot length and j plus plus. Here is the main logic. Let's calculate the new window sum. Adding the next element j and subtracting the first one from the window sum. That is going to be j minus k. Now max sum is going to be one of the, let's say math dot max, one of the, let's say window sum or the max sum. Just return the max sum. Let's run it. As you can see, we got the expected output. It is saying the max sum of the first k element, contiguous k element, is 24. As you can verify, first 4 is this. It is not 24. This is also not 24. If you see the last 4 element, this is the 24.